Hello children, I bought some gifts yesterday for my son's birthday. I bought some books, pens, colors and of course birthday caps. All of them were of different shapes. What are shapes? Shapes are all around us and today we are going to talk about some specific shapes. I have a cube here, a cone, cuboid, sphere, prism and a cylinder. And what makes these shapes different? It is these edges, faces and vertices that define a shape. And now let us start with edges first. So what is an edge? This is an edge. So let us see how many edges does a cube have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and of course 12. So a cube has 12 edges. Let us now check for cuboid. So again 1, are you counting with me? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and of course 12. So a cuboid also has 12 edges. Okay, next we will check this prism here. So how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So a prism has 9 edges. Let's check cylinder now. Cylinder has a curved edge, one edge here and one edge here. So cylinder has 2 edges, but of course please remember that they are curved edges. Next we have cone. So how many edges does cone have? Cone has one, again a curved edge. And who is left out? Yes, sphere. Do you see any edge here in the sphere? No. So sphere has no edge. Next we will talk about faces. Let's start with our cube again. This is a face. So let us start counting. Now you are good at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and of course 1 here, 6. So a cube has 6 faces. Let's check out cuboid now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and of course 1 here, 6. So cuboid also has 6 faces. Let's do the same thing with the prism. 1, 2, 3, 4 and of course here 5. So prism has 5 faces. Did you notice something special about these 3 things? All the faces are plane faces. What about cylinder? Cylinder has one plane face here, one plane face here and a curved face. So if we say cylinder has 3 faces, out of 3 faces, 2 are plane faces just like cube, cuboid or prism and 1 is a curved face. Next let us check out cone. Again same thing, cone has one plane face and one curved face. So when I say 2 faces, it is one face is plane and one is curved. And what about sphere? Sphere has one complete curved face. So sphere has one face. I hope children till now it is very clear. Now we are going to start talking about vertices. What is a vertex? Vertex is where the edges meet. So this is a vertex. So how many vertices? When we say 1 it is vertex, but when I am talking about more than 1 it will be vertices. So how many vertices does a cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cube has 8 vertices. Let's check out the cuboid. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cuboid has again 8 vertices. Let's check the prism too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So prism has 6 vertices. What about cylinder? Can we see any vertices on cylinder? No, we cannot see any vertex on the cylinder. So cylinder has 0 vertices. What about cone? Cone has 1 vertex on the top. So 1 vertex. And what about sphere? Sphere has again no vertex. So 0 vertex. So I hope children you understood how shapes become different because of edges, vertices and faces. Now let us talk about something else. Look at this cone here. I can shift this cone like this. That is, the cone slides, and I can also roll it like this. So it rolls as well as slides. But what about cube? Yes, I can shift it like this, but it does not roll. So it slides but it does not roll. What about sphere? Sphere can only roll around. What about this cuboid here? Cuboid can also only slide. It cannot roll. And prism, again same as cube and cuboid, it can only slide. What about cylinder? Cylinder can slide. Can cylinder roll? Yes. And what are the rolling cylinders we see around us? Yes, the wheels, the most important invention. So I hope children you understood how certain objects can slide, certain can roll, and certain can roll and slide together. Now we are going to do an interesting activity. I am going to draw out this cube on this paper. And what do you think? What will I get as an image on the paper? Yes, I will get an image of a square. What is a square? Square is a quadrilateral whose 4 sides are equal. So all the sides of this are equal and each angle is a right angle. What is a right angle? Right angle is which forms a L. So in square each of the angle is right angle and all the sides are equal. What happens if I draw this out on the paper with my pen? I will get a rectangle. And now what is special about rectangle? Rectangle is also 4-sided like square, but only opposite sides are equal. And each angle here is also a right angle. So this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. And what will happen if I keep my prism like this and draw out here on the paper? I will get a triangle. And what is special about triangle? Triangle is made of 3 sides. And now supposing I keep my cone here and draw out here. What will I get? I will get a circle. Circle has its own speciality. There is no straight line on a circle and there is a center in the circle, and every point on the circle is at equal distance from that particular center. So children, I hope you enjoyed the shapes we have done today. You can look at different shapes in your house, keep them on a paper, draw them out and see what 2D shapes you get out of them. So goodbye for now children. I hope you enjoyed it.